Fliki has new AI avatars, and in this video we are going to show you how to use them. We are starting here with a new file, and if you want to know how to get to this point, how to operate Fliki, we can suggest to watch this video. Now, we start here in the first scene with a text. Let's start by saying, hello, this is the video about the most fascinating crane of the world. Okay, so we have a text here. Now let's add a picture of a crane. Let's take this yellow picture here from the stop library. And now what we need to do, we need to go on the layer button here. Take on this layer, and there you see avatar, which is highlighted to be visualized as new. Now, right now, we have a default avatar, and now we can start to edit the avatar. As you see on the left, here on the bottom area, I added the stock footage. Here I can added the text and the audio. They have the voice Wade, so it's a male voice. If you click on it, you can choose a plethora of voices. We have Wade, so it makes sense to have a male speaker here or a male avatar. Now we click on this here on the picture, and voila, we can see all different possible avatars. And the amount of avatars we have here is quite a lot. And now let's find a me one that could fit the view. What cranes? Let's take Matt here, this one. Exactly. Now the problem is that Matt is sitting in front of those cranes. And to adjust that, here on the right side, we can move the position of the avatar where it fits best. And then below, we can also determine the size. This is small, this is medium. Medium is default, at least in our version. This will be large, and then there's a full size option as well, which in this context is kind of weird. But let's go back to medium, because this seems to be the best solution here. We can also opt for close-up, or we can have a transparent background. Now, this really depends on the kind of situation that you want. And for the close-up, you can also opt for different colors. Let's take the different one here. Oh, move this a little bit into the blue area. Or it gets a bit of a nicer contrast here. It's a bit strong. Okay. Good. And now if you would create the generate avatar video, it tells you, are you sure you want to generate avatar video for the current voiceover? Please note that 1 credit is charged for every 4 seconds of AI avatar generation. If you click on generate, it tells you, please generate voiceover first, because it basically needs to translate this text to determine the length of the video. We do that by just clicking the play button here.
A few moments later.
Now that we have created the voiceover, I suggest remove the text here. Display font subtitle. We remove the subtitles because they're a bit distracting the perspective of the speaker. And now we can create the gang here on the avatar field. We can create the avatar video, which should take a few seconds.
A few moments later.
Now we can click the play button again to visualize the movement of the lips and see the overall performance of the AI avatar here in Fliki.
Hello, this is a video about the most fascinating crane of the world.
Let's view it again.
Hello, this is a video about the most fascinating crane of the world.
And what's really great about this AI avatar feature is that the lips move quite realistically. Other AI video tools have somewhat limited mimics in the faces of the AI avatars, such as that the front element, so the upper element of the lips, is quite fixed, while the lower one is only moving. However, in this one, it seems that the face and the mimic is quite realistic. Let's watch it again.
Hello, this is a video about the most fascinating crane of the world.
Yeah, even the face moves slightly. So I think this gives it a very realistic perspective of an AI avatar. Now, but having said that, you could add further scenes, add other speaker faces, and different types of scenarios how you embed the AI avatar in the pictures here. And if you want to understand how easy you can navigate Fliki AI, please watch this tutorial here.